In the weldment design environment, you're not limited to creating structural members. Other types of components, including gussets, end caps, plates, and welds, can also be added. In this lesson, we'll take a look at how a plate can be added along with related weld beads. Plates are nothing more than extruded bosses. You can create them just as you would any other extrusion. You create a sketch and extrude it to the desired thickness. In this case, I'll begin by clicking the extruded boss icon on the weldment toolbar. Note that this icon is exactly the same as the extruded boss icon found on the features toolbar. It's replicated here on the weldment toolbar for convenience only. I'll select the bottom face of the structural member to begin my sketch. I'll sketch an 8 by 12 inch rectangle centered about the sketch origin. I'll exit the sketch and specify a 1/2 inch as the extrusion depth. Before I click OK, notice the Merge Result checkbox is not checked. This is the default behavior of any extrusion created within a part defined as a weldment. Remember that weldments are made up of multiple bodies. This applies to structural members as well as other geometry such as plates and gussets. By leaving the Merge Result checkbox cleared, any extrusion will be its own separate solid body. I'll click OK, and you can see the plate has been added. If you wish to show weld information, you can also create weld beads within the weldment environment. To create a fillet weld bead, click the fillet bead icon on the weldment toolbar. You can select full-length, intermittent, or staggered beads. Next, you specify the size of the bead. I'll enter 0.5 in this case. To specify the location of the weld bead, you must select intersecting planar faces. For face set 1, I'll select the top face of the plate. For face set 2, I'll select one of the planar faces of the structural member. Because tangent propagation is turned on, the bead is created all the way around the structural member. There's an option to enable the other side. This will allow to create a weld bead on the side opposite of the weld bead defined above. This option would be automatically selected if you use the staggered weld type. In this case, I'll click OK to complete the weld bead. The bead is added complete with weld symbol and weld bead texture.